Greetings, it's time for another bead haul for Odin's Bead Haul. This is a package from Beadpark. They reached out to me and said, hey, you want to do a bead haul? And I'm like, sure. So I got another selection of items. This is similar to one of those Chinese wholesale sites where you get lots of neat things for fairly decent prices. Just be aware of the freight because it goes by weight and every little gram counts. So, this is some neat stuff I got with some projects in mind. And if you would like to get some things as well, the description has the link. It is beadpark.com. And if you would like to see some other things that I do with it, feel free to check out our Discord group. Down in the description box below, there's a link to our Discord page. This is just where we're gathering to share advice, tips, and other diddly beady things, and talk about life in general. So if you want to join a nice wholesome group, check out our Discord down in the description below. So here we go. First off, I don't remember half the stuff I ordered, but I got some ball chain, because we all need some of that sometimes. Ball. So I got some of these because I need them for projects, and just nice to have around in case you run out of regular chain. Ooh, these are cute. So on my adventures looking for replacements for Swarovski, I found these cute little shapes. They're like little gumdrops almost, and I think they'd be kind of cool to use as ends for, ends to a strung piece or a woven piece. Kind of looks like spaceship escape pods, but they came in an assortment of things. I kind of wanted to see what would, how I could use these. In bead embroidery, these might be kind of cool too, to like add a spiky thing that's glittery instead of just plain spike. So I got a packet of those in assorted colors. Then I've been seeing a lot of brooches that have these sew-on rhinestones, these giant ones in different shapes, so I kind of wanted to see what I could come up with. So I got some of these, and these actually look really good. They're appropriately shiny, the bezel doesn't look too cheap, and, you know, they're appropriately sparkly. So those will be nice to work with. I got some Bugle Beads, and my favorite twisty kind. I don't have too many Bugle Beads, but, like, I don't know, I find that they break a lot of my threads, but I've been also seeing a lot of these done in bead embroidery as well, so as edging and other textury bits. So I'd figure I'd try them and give them a shot. I've got this silver-lined gray in twisty, and this nice bronzy, dark bronze color. So those will be fun to work with. I got some silicone measuring cups for resin. These are very invaluable, especially the kind with a pour spout on it. I just needed a bunch more of these because I'm starting to run bigger batches of resin, and I really needed them. So I got, ooh, these are really pretty. I got more of these sew-on rhinestones, and this has a really cool cut to it. Not sure how well they can be seen on camera, but let's just take one out. I got a mix of those, and I kind of wanted them as like focal pieces, so that's why I only got assortment instead of a big pack of one color. But you can kind of see, it looks like a little swirly. You can kind of see what the cut is supposed to be in the back. These are some really pretty ones. I don't know, maybe I have a darker one in here. Yeah, ooh. That is really pretty. Ooh. I might be getting more of these. Check that shit out. And on my quest for more Swarovski replacements, I got a strand of these red Siam Bicones. They're okay. Definitely, for the price, they're pretty good, but I don't know if I find that one as a suitable. They're really shiny. I'm just not too big fan of the cut, but that's just me. They are quite shimmery and glimmery, though, so I will find a use for them. One other thing. Oh, yes. These cone-shaped thingies. It is for a project, a tutorial that I saw online. I'm doing one of those, embroidered brooches, and it required cone-shaped beads, so I really wanted to try them. And I got this assortment, although when I bought it, I didn't realize it was an assortment. So we'll see. Those will be interesting to play with. Nice and sharp. Ooh, these are pretty. Then I got some really pretty lavender rondelles that are nice and sparkly, and a very nice color. Very cute and pale purple. I got some more of these sew-on rhinestones. I got a teardrop shape in jet, because it's hard to mess up a jet. And these are nice and appropriate, and I think I will be finding nice uses for that. I got some sort of silicone thingy. What did I get? I got a mold. I don't know what it is. Ooh, isn't that pretty? So I got this lovely little pendant frame thingy. So that'd be kind of cool to put some sort of cabochon in the center, or paint a little scene in there. And maybe another jewel setting thing going on, but that's just a really nice cameo type deal. That would be really fun to play with. So, yes, I got that. And finally, I've got something... Oh, nope, not finally. JK. I got these horse-eye stones that are really pretty. And very interesting. These are really sparkly. I'm kind of impressed by these. I might end up having to get more, but yes, some horse-eye ones to make a project with. And finally, the thing that I was really excited about in the tutorials that I plan on doing, they have quarter Tilas, which really was surprising, and I've never done anything with any Tilas before. I might have done, like, full Tilas, something with that, I don't know. I've done so much with so many things, I can't keep track of what I do anymore. So I'm going to do a design with these quarter Tilas, and maybe do something with embroidery that I'll show for you. Maybe just to do like a sped up version of what I did, kind of like my old epic sagas. I don't know, the really OG people will know about the epic sagas. I got a lot of hate for them, but you know. But they're basically me doing a project and sped up all the way forward until it ends, and you can kind of see what I do. They're not tutorials, which is why I got a lot of hate for them, but I like doing them because I like showcasing what I did. But anyway, yes, I look forward to a project with that. So, that was all that I got from Beadpark. If you'd like to see and investigate all the stuff that they have there, the link down below is beadpark.com. But you can find a lot of goodies there, a lot of fun things, and I'm actually really excited to work with some of this stuff. So, some new things that I've never tried before, and some other things that I enjoy working with. So, with all that being said, I think that will do it from me. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more bullshit from me. Check out all my other shenanigans all over the interweb. Say hi to me on my social medias, all links down below. And thank you to my patrons over on Patreon. You guys are really awesome, and I appreciate each and every one of you. If you would like to get exclusive tutorials once per month that I don't post on YouTube, come and check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/odins.musings. And don't forget to come and join us on our Discord group for a lovely community of beaders who talk about beading and other crafts and other life problems in general. It's just a nice wholesome group that we chill out with. So, all pertinent links are down below. Thank y'all so much for joining me, and of course, if there's anything I need to be trying out right now, feel free to let me know down below, and I will see you next time.